𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 Today I stand before you to speak about the topic that most affecting our world. It is drugs. So what are the effects of drugs and what is the government what the government has taken for to implement these sessions. So remember that first wealth after health. So remember, using of drugs is happiness for 1 minute and 1 hour, but it is a lifeline of pain of life for lifeline. So drugs are very dangerous for our health. We should not take it. So what is the government rule in this and what are the drugs? The drugs are narcotic. There are many drugs in our society. So we should not use these drugs. If we use these drugs, our health will be damaged. And using of drugs is for only happiness. Using of drugs is they may get happiness. Using of drugs, they may feel happy, but it does not affect only for individual, but it also affect for family and also for committees and our society. So we should not use heavy drugs. Sometimes it may help us to relieve of our pains, but when it is addicted, then the person may not can come out from the drugs. So we should not use heavy drugs. And the government implement many schemes and acts on these things. For example, it implements many acts in 1985. It gave many acts to protect the people from awareness of drugs. These drugs can help the people to keep their health happily. So these drugs, the usage of drugs is very dangerous for our health. It causes many health issues for our life. For example, it can cause heart issues, and it can cause many dangerous issues and diseases like HIV and hepatitis. So we should not use heavy drugs. And what are the uses of using these drugs? They may feel happy, but the committee and the society name will be damaged of using these drugs. So we should not use heavy drugs. And next, what is our role? So our role is more important than the role of government in this scheme, because if parents protect them from these children to don't go to the outside and something else, when parents have good communication with their children, they do not turn into these drugs and crimes. So parents should be good with everyone. Thank you.